So I'm going to start with my eyes. I think I usually start with my face, but... So I'm going to use my concealer to prime my eyelids. I'm going to draw like a line underneath my eyebrows with the concealer to kind of shape them a bit more. That really did nothing. Now I'm just going to set my eyelids with a powder. Oh no, I got it everywhere. This is a translucent powder which I've never used before. So I'm going to start with the eyeshadow now. I'm going to use Sugar Cookie, I think it's called. Yeah, 2016 Holiday Palette. And just put that in my crease and kind of put it on my lid a bit. I really apologise for the lighting. I know it keeps changing. I'm using lights from my mirror, but then I've got like natural lighting behind me, so it's kind of not going well. This is like a kind of taupey kind of colour. I'll zoom in a bit more, up close and personal. This lighting is not the best. Now I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to take Warm Taupe, which is this one, and do the same thing as I did with the other shadow. My camera is so annoying because it's so saturated, but I don't know how to change it. Like, there's no setting on it that makes it any less, so I feel like everything always comes off as more orange. Now I'm just going to take the same Warm Taupe colour and put it straight on my lid. Now we're going to go back to the Holiday palette and take this colour, which is called Gingerbread, and put that in my crease a bit, but this is going to be really pigmented, so I don't really know how I'm going to do this. We don't want it to go crazy at the start. My camera's going to die. I really don't know how this is going. It's really not coming off in camera like it is in person. Really annoying. So to do the eyeliner, I'm going to use an eyeshadow actually. So I'm going to use my Naked 2 palette, couldn't remember which one it was there, and use Blackout, which is just a black eyeshadow, and just draw a wing using this, and then if it's not strong enough I'll just go over it with an actual eyeliner. I've basically done a really small wing. So that's me finished with the eyeliner. It's not that intense, but I'm gonna just leave it. I actually really like the way it looks. Yes, so now I'm going to use this won't focus. Now I'm going to use a pencil eyeliner to line my tight line and my waterline. Now I'm going to move on to my face so I can zoom you guys back out. Oh, wrong way. So I'm going to start off with my moisturiser because I have very dry skin. This is a Clinique one. I'm going to use a primer also. This is an illuminating primer by Estee Lauder. I'm just going to put that all over my face. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to quickly spray my face with the Mario Badescu Rosewater spray because my skin feels kind of dry. For my foundation, I'm having a bit of a dilemma because I want to use my cream foundation, but it's kind of too dark for my skin. I think I'm just going to use it anyway and hope for the best. Well, this foundation literally looks terrible. I'm now just going to put my concealer underneath my eyes. I'm just going to use this brush to blend it all in. I'm going to use this today. I'm going to blend this in with a brush and just hope for the best, to be honest, because Sometimes this doesn't work. I can't find my other beauty blender, so I'm just gonna have to use the same one to bake. Can you use a damp beauty blender? I don't know. I'm also going to put it underneath where I contoured. I am now just going to let that sit while I do my eyebrows, which, fun fact, is my least favourite part. I hate doing my eyebrows. I kind of went on strike with my eyebrows for like a year. I didn't fill them in at all because I just hated doing it. Now I'm just going to dust away the powder. Well, that worked. I'm just going to take some of the colours I used before and put them underneath my lash line. I'm going to take warm taupe. I'm going to do it kind of messy. I think so. Now I'm going to put sugar cookie over it because it looks too brown. I'm going to do my mascara now, so if you're wondering what mascara I use the Last Sensational Luscious by Maybelline on my top lashes. My camera died again. So I've just done my mascara and I've realised that the eyeliner I probably should have done a bit more of. But, oh well, too late now. I'm now going to use some blush. I'm going to use Dandelion by Benefit and just put this on my cheeks, you know? Now I'm going to do lips. So I'm going to try and overlay my lips just a bit because obviously I have small lips, so now I'm taking Dolce K by Kylie Cosmetics and just putting it on, you know? Okay, so this is the completed look. Also, I apologise for the lighting. I know it was a bit crazy, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video anyway, and I will see you in my next one.